Good evening to everybody. I hope all of you are able to hear me. Am I audible to everybody? Okay. Fine. So we'll be doing the permutation combination, and this chapter is the one of the important chapter for the complete algebra point of view. If you'll try to see how many questions you'll be asking. So every year you will see that in the JEE main, surely in every paper there will be question will be there, as well as in JEE advanced nowadays also they are asking, as you know that now slightly pattern is changing in the JEE advanced. They are more going towards the Olympiad style. So they are asking questions every year into from this topic, this PNC topic. Now here, apart from that, one question or two question coming in the JEE main or JEE advanced, this topic play very crucial role for the complete algebra. One of the important point where we will be using this one in the probability, and the next one in the binomial theorem, and in general also we use sometimes, like when you'll do vector in 3D, sometimes you have to find out the number of plane, number of lines, then also you have to use the PNC. So PNC will be the one of the important chapter which we'll be doing. So today's this is the first lecture, so I will go very slowly by assuming you don't know anything into the PNC. And initially for the first 1 hour, you have to concentrate how I'm going to start. If you already know something, do not mix, otherwise it will be problem. Right? So let's get started. See, first thing, this chapter name is permutation and combination, but basically we have to study plus grouping and distribution also. Grouping and distribution. I will tell you exactly the meaning of that, what is the meaning of the grouping and distribution. But right now, we will be, this is the complete, you can say that there are the 4 segments we have to study. One is the permutation, then combination, grouping, how to form the group, and how to do distribution. The 4 segment is there in this chapter. It's a very easy chapter if you understand the basic logic of this chapter. Otherwise, it is a nightmare chapter. If you don't understand the exactly logic, what is the logic behind this one, then it will be a big problem. So without wasting much time, let's start at the one by one. And basically, permutation combination means only one thing, counting. You have to do counting. That's all. How good you are in the counting, I'm not talking about that. Means we have to count the number. You have to counting, you have to do. And this counting means what? You have to count the number of ways. How many ways this job can be done. So basically, here we have to study the counting the number of ways. The number of ways. The number of ways in which a job can be done. In which a job can be done. So this is what the complete permutation combination. You have to identify what actually job is there and in how many ways that job can be done. 99% students used to fail to identify this one. This is the main thing. What exactly job is there in the question? That's what you have to identify. And just you have to count it. For counting, there is the different formulas we'll learn. We'll learn n factorial, we'll learn the NPR, NCR. All these will help you for counting. But basic job is the counting only. We have to do the counting. That particular job can be done in how many ways. That's what the meaning of the counting. Second things we should know, this is the main thing. And what exactly in this we should know? There are two rules there: addition and multiplication. Meaning, whenever between two job there is the or word is there, it means you have to do addition of the counting. Means whatever number of ways are there, between them you have to put the addition sign. Second things you should know, there is the and word. I will explain all this point. Don't worry. First, initially few point you have to write. And means multiplication. That will show the rule of multiplication. Whenever between two ways there is the or word is there, we have to use plus. And whenever there is the and word is there, we have to use multiplication. Remember, in analytical mathematics, or means union, and means intersection. In the logical mathematics, we go with the plus and into. This is the rule. This is called the rule of multiplication. This is called the rule of addition. So these three things, if anybody can understand, then P&C will be very easily you can do. So let me show you where or we have to use and where and we have to use it. Imagine a very common example I'm going to ask you. Listen carefully and answer me in that way. Suppose there are 5 postcards. There are 5 postcards. You will say, sir, you didn't teach anything and directly asking question. Because this question I can ask 5th class child also. There are 5 postcards. Postcard, all of you know? Nowadays, people don't use the postcard, but just a card kind of things, which will be posted. And 3 post box. 3 post box. In how many ways? Many ways card can be posted. Card can be posted. Did you understand meaning of the question? There are 5 postcard and 3 post box. Post box, you know, generally in the something box kind of things, where you have to put your letters and everything, and that will be sent to post office and that will go to the destination. So there are 3 post boxes there and 5 postcard. Any post box can take any number of cards. In how many way it card can be posted? Let me see how many people are giving the correct answers. Quickly, everybody. Is the question is clear to everyone? There are 5 postcards, 5 letters, whatever you want to say. 5 postcards are there. I wanted to post in the 3 post boxes there. In how many way it can be posted? Forget about permutation combination. Do not try to use any permutation combination. Use common sense. Mathematics is the pure common sense. Till now, whoever is giving answers, I don't think that is correct. Very simple question. If you forget mathematics for time being, you will be able to answer. Do not try to mix mathematics unnecessary. 5 postcard is there and 3 post boxes is there. In how many way I can post it? Okay, only one person given correct answer till now. Really very bad. Not a single person able, only one person given answer. This is a simple question. There are 5 postcard. We have to put in the postcard. 2 people given correct answer till now. Only 2 people given correct answer. 3 people. Yes. Who? The person who will give the first correct answers there, I will post it here so that everybody can see what is the correct answer. This is the person who given the first correct answer. Now, Listen. This is why I given you this question, to make you understand of the first line. There are 5 postcards. Listen carefully, everybody. 3 post boxes. Wait, 3 post boxes there, and 5 postcard is there. Some 5 postcard. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. In how many way card can be posted? The job is what? Posting the card. You have to post the card. So one by one, I have to post this card or not. This card can be posted in how many ways? 3 ways. Either it can go here, or it can go here, or it can go here. Means first job I can do. First job. What is the first job? First postcard I have to post it. First job can be done by 3 ways. Now, second job. Second job can be done in how many ways? Second job, second card we have to post it. In how many ways I can post it? 3 ways. Wherever the first postcard gone, there also the second also can go there. So that also can be done 3 ways. Third job also I can do by 3 ways. Fourth job also I can do by 3 ways. And fifth job also I can do by 3 ways. Now listen very, very carefully, everybody. Have you understand, all of you? This job, this job, this job I can do. My job was there posting the job card. So this job can be done by 3 ways, and this job can be, and we have to use. We don't have to say this job or this job, because all this job you have to complete, then only full job will be get completed. So every job will have a small job inside. So my job is there to post all the cards. So first job I have to post, and second job I have to post, and third job I have to third card we have to post. So it means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 5 times, and that will be equal to 243. I'm sure everybody understood this point. Those who did not give the correct answer, please confirm. Is it clear to everyone? Is this clear to everyone? Everybody understood this point? Those who did not give the correct answer. So you have to keep on responding so that I can go according to that. Right. So this is what I'm trying to tell you. I didn't start permutation combination yet. I'm just trying to teach you what is the meaning of the job. You have to identify in the question what is the job. Believe me, after that, nothing is there in this chapter. So job identification is very important. Now, imagine a situation. Suppose this is the point A and this is the point B. If a person wants to go point A to point B via C, some C point is there. So means via C has to go. First he has to go to C and then he has to go to B. A to C he can go by the suppose 3 ways. And C to B he may go by few ways, let's say 3 and one more ways there, 4 ways. In how many ways person can go A to C, A to B via C? Quickly everybody. I will keep on changing the question. You keep on writing the answers as fast as you can. In how many ways a person can go A to B via C? That point you have to keep in mind. As fast as you give the answers. I'm not able to see everybody's answer. Yes. So what is the job here? The person has to travel from A to B. So he will say, I will go A to C and C to B. Listen carefully to what I'm saying. He has to go A to C and C to B. So A to C he can go in how many ways? A to C he can go by 3 ways. Either this or this or this. That's why 3. Or is coming. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3. And then and. From here to here and. 4-way here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be 3 into 4. Because he has to complete both the job. He has to go A to C and then C to B. Here to here, A to C is the 3 ways, C to B is the 4-way, and between this there is the AND is there. So there will be 12 ways. I hope everybody got it. It's very simple. Now, I'm repeating the question. You have to answer. In how many ways a person can go A to B, of course, via C, and return to A via C, if he does not repeat the path, quickly answer. In how many ways person can go A to B and return back to A, but he does not repeat the path. Carefully, don't jump into answer immediately. Think. Job identify do everybody. A to C, C to B, B to C, C to A. There are 4 jobs there. There are 4 jobs there. Look at here. Person has to go A to C. Okay. How many jobs is there? 4 jobs. A to C. First he will go A to C. Then he will go C to B. Then he will go B to C. Come back B to C. Means from here to here. Then he will go C to A. Am I right? Then only the complete journey will be there. A to C, C to B, B to C, and then C to A. A to C, no condition. Whatever path he want, he can take. This is called the free selection or free arrangement, whatever you want to say. This is a free path. Here, 3-way. Then C to B, free path. Any path he can take it. No condition. 4-way. Now B to C is coming. Now B to C, he is having only 3 choice. Only 3 choice. Why? Because I don't know how he came C to B, but whatever way he came, he does not repeat the path. That means if he came from the top path, he will not go by top path. He will go by this way or this way or this way. Means B to C only 3 ways. Similarly, C to A only 2 ways. So total will between them is what? AND is there. So what will be a 3 into 4 into 3 into 2? So 9 into 8, 72. There are 72 ways are there by which the person can complete this journey. I hope it's clear. Some people are saying 18. I don't know. Somebody saying 16, 24. From where answer is coming, I don't know. But people are playing with the mathematics. A to C, there are 3 paths. C to B, 4 paths. But B to C, when he's returning, he should not repeat the path. So 3 ways. And C to A, 2 ways. Between these jobs, this is small job, what word you will use? AND. Because all 4 jobs has to be completed. Am I clear to everybody? Those who got wrong answer or could not answer, please confirm. Is this clear? Now, same question. I'm not going to give you different type of question. Don't worry. That will not make a PNC involved. Just try to understand one thing what I'm trying to make you. Not my purpose is not to give you that key, are you able to solve the question or not. My wish is that key, you should identify the job A to B and return to A via C. Question is same. If he repeat his path, if he repeat his path, answer very quickly. This is the everybody can tell. If he repeat his path very fast, A to C, C to B, B to C, C to A. Okay. I guess it's clear to everybody. So A to C, three ways. Directly I will write them. Now everything time I write three ways. And C to B, four way. And B to C, one way only, because he has to repeat his path. Whatever path he came, that path only he has to take, the one way. And C to A, again one way, the total 12 ways. I hope understood everybody. Identification of the job. Job identification is very important. That is what is going to play the role. Now let's make it little bit more interesting into this. Concentrate on the picture. This is a 4 into 4 side up crossword. These boxes. All size are equal. You see, my picture is not that much clear. These are all are square. All are square. Same size square. All are same size square. Find number of squares. Find number of squares. This is the 4 cross 4. Find number of square. In fact, I should not jump into this question directly, but believe me, this will teach you something. Number of squares. Any size, any size, any size, any size means I am asking you, we one of the square this, one of the another square can be this also, another square can be this also, another square can be what can be this also. No, that is not square. Three, this way also. So total, how many squares can be happen? Total number of squares. I did not get correct answer at till now. No. Total number of squares. Yes, one person given answer. Oh, why more than 100 won't be there? Two people giving answer. Number of squares. Chalo, check it here. Everybody, what is my job? Count number of square. Count number of squares. Okay, means I have to form a square or not? I have to form a square. How the square can come? I want one from this side and one from this side. Suppose, imagine, just concentrate everybody. Suppose I take in this side and this side. One square I will get. I don't have to select other two sides. Why? Because if I selected this and this, so only one choice left. This is the only square will be there. Able to understand or not? It means I need to select one side from horizontal and one vertical. One square will develop. So let's think what are the possibility. One is that I want to count 1 into 1 size of the square. So think 1 into 1 size when will come? When one unit you will consider from horizontal and one unit you will consider from the vertical. In how many ways I can select one unit from horizontal? 4 ways. Either this, or this, or this, or this. Yes or no? There are 4 ways to select horizontal line, horizontal side. In how many ways I can select one unit vertical side? 4 ways. 1, either this, or this, or this. Did you understand? Suppose somebody say, sir, what is the meaning? Meaning is this: if you selected this side, imagine this side and this side. So which square I am talking? If you selected this side, means this side and this side. So I am talking about this square. So 1 into 1. So we'll say that I need one horizontal side. One horizontal side I can select by 4 way, and one vertical side 4 way. And the total 16, 1 into 1 square of the sides will be there. And true also, you can manually also count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times means total 16 square will come. 1 into 1 size. Am I clear to everybody? Now, what is the other possibility? 2 into 2 size of the square. Let's see. 2 into 2 size means 2 unit horizontal, 2 unit vertical. Think 2 unit horizontal, what is the possibility? Either this, or this, or this. Means there are 3 ways to select horizontal. Either this, or this, or this. Means 3 ways to select horizontal. How many ways I can select vertical? 3 ways. So total 9 squares will be there, which is a 2 into 2 size. Am I clear to everybody? Now imagine 3 into 3 side. 3 into 3 side, what is the possibility? 3 into 3, 1, this one. I can select this, which is I am coloring. Or this, no other possibility. Because if you start from here, only 2 into 2 unit you will get it. So either this or this. Means only 2 way I can select horizontal and 2 way vertical only. So 3 into 3 size, 2 way I can select horizontal, 2 way I can select vertical. So 4 ways. And 4 into 4 size. 4 unit size I can take only 1 way here, 1 way here also. So 1 into 1. That will be 1. So total is going to be 30. This is the answer. If any point did not understand, please let me know. Those who got wrong answer or could not solve it, can you confirm? Is it clear? Is this clear to everybody? Job is that to make a square. So for a square, I need one horizontal line, one vertical line. You will say, sir, what is the other 2 sides? Oh, that will automatically will come, na? Whenever you will select the 2 sides, 2 other side automatically will come. Now the next question. I expect everybody should give the answer. This time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Be clear. My picture is looking this one. This is the very, what do you say? It's not a square. Of course, it's not a square, but they consider as a square because that much drawing is a problem for me. Something I will try to make it. Imagine all are square. One unit. One unit is square. But this time I given you 5 unit here and 3 unit here. Tell me number of squares. Number of squares. Everybody start. Number of squares. Any size. Total number of square of any size. Same logic. Identify the job and proceed further. I don't think you should do the mistakes now. First, 1 into 1 size. 1 into 1 size. So means I need one horizontal line. In how many way I can select one horizontal line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one vertical line. 1, 2, 3. 15. 2 into 2 size. 2 horizontal line in how many way I can select? Either I can select this way or this way or this way or this way. So total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 way I can select horizontal line, and vertical line in how many way I can select 2 unit size. 2 unit size. Either this way or this way. Only 2 way. Only 2 way. So that will be equal to 8. Now 3 into 3 size. 3 into 3 size in how many way I can select? 3 into 3 size. Imagine one way or this way or this way. Means 3 way I can select. So 3 into 3 in vertical, only one way. This is the complete 3, so one way. So that will be equal to 3. 4 into 4 size impossible, because vertical 4 into 4 unit you can get it, but horizontal you can get it, but vertical you cannot get it. So that will be only options will be left it out. That will be equal to 5, 8, 3, 11, 26. Is this clear to everybody? Right? So identify your job and then try to do the things. This may be slightly difficult for some of you because geometric imaginations take a little bit time. But what I'm trying to tell to you here, what is the job? To count the number of square. When we have to count the number of square, you will say, sir, where is the job in this? When I'm saying count the number of square, so you need one horizontal line and one vertical line. So in how many 2 jobs we have to do? We have to count number of horizontal line and number of vertical line and number of vertical line. So we are just multiplying between them using. So this is the way we used to think for the identifying the job. Now, let's go ahead and up now in this, you will see that in future, some unnecessary complicated question. In chessboard, how many squares are there? At the same logic, by on the chessboard, all of you know, there are the 8. Is there 8 here also? 64. So 1 into 1, how many can be there? 8 into 8, 2 into 2, 7 into 7, and so on. So it's a question can be complicated anyway, it does not matter, but concept has to be clear. Chaliye. Before I start permutation combination, I did not started it. Before I start permutation combination, you have to understand few things. One is that in whole permutation combination, we'll use a word called as the object. And other word we are going to use place. Object means what? Anything which can be counted. Means like suppose in a classroom, there are 20 students. Listen very carefully, this is the main point. In a classroom, there are 20 students. So we will, in permutation language, we say there are 20 objects. Objects means counting. Objects cannot be 2.5. Object cannot be -3. Object means which can be counting. Counting never come 2.5. That is the measurement. Counting means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understand my point? Object, whenever we have to say that ki this many number of, if I am saying that ki there are 5 coins, they will say there are 5 objects. If I say there are 10 people, so it means 10 objects. So objects means which can be counted. Now in the object, there are 3 different kind of scenario we'll see in the object. One is called as the different objects. Another identical. And the third one, mixed object. For all 3, there are different way of approach. That's why I am telling. Different object means each object are different from each other. Suppose if I say that there are 10 students in a class. 10 students in a class. That means there are 10 objects. Now here you don't have to tell, you don't have to ask that, sir, they are identical or different. But student object is the student here. Student cannot be identical. In the movie, it's a double role is there. But in the real life, there is no double role. So different means which are the different from each other. Identical means there are identical. Suppose if you say there are 10 1 rupee coin, 10 coin of 1 rupee. 1 rupee. So 1 rupee, 10 coin. Each coin 1 rupees. So all these 10 coins will be considered as identical. They are considered as identical because coins are the 1 rupee is not by the shape and size. It's the value of that. So each coin having the 1 rupee value. So they will be considered as identical. Or maybe I'm saying that there are 3 A letter. 3 A letter. They will be considered as identical. Don't try to say, sir, this A letter looking different from this A letter. See, there are gap. Nothing like that. Okay. So A letter having its own value. So we'll say that 3A are identical. Mix means what? Some objects are identical to each other and some objects are different. For example, if I say AA, B, C, D. So we'll say that this is the total. How many objects are there? 5 objects. These 5 objects are the which kind of object? They are not, we cannot say different also because AA same. We cannot say identical also because they are different here, B, C, D. This is called the mixed object. So when the question is counting is coming, a whole permutation combination is counting. In the counting, there may be chance that object will come and object will be different, identical or mixed. And for each case, there will be different approach. You have to follow the different approach. That's what the kind of place. I don't have to tell you anything. That is the where object will be placed. Where object will be placed. Will be placed. Now here there will be 2 different scenarios. One is the row, places arranged in a row. Another places arranged in the circular. You just write this much. I'm not going to explain about this. That will talk in the arrangement. Row arrangement, circular arrangement. There we'll discuss. But right now you don't have to think about this. So object, I hope clear to everybody. Places you have to clear. What is the rule of the object? Object will be placed in the whatever the places is marked. right? This is the what the meaning of the object and place. Now let's understand the meaning of this, how to use this one for counting. We are doing only counting. Suppose if I ask a question, by using by using 1 2 3 4 5, how many 4-digit number can be formed. No need of solving, I will solve. Don't try to solve. I have to teach you something here. What is counting here? We have to count how many 4-digit number is going to be exist. How many 4-digit? I mean, number of 4-digit will be so many can be happen. But they're saying using this digit only you have to form the number. It means there is the role of the object is going to come. How many object I am having? 5 object. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Using 1 2 3 4 5. Repeat here also you can mention repetition not allowed. Repetition not allowed. I will repetition of digit not allowed. Of digit not allowed. Basically, it's not required to mention, but I'm just initial stage. Digits not allowed. Means any digit cannot come more than once. Because they are saying by using, means you have only this many digits. How many 4-digit number can be formed? Means I have to form the 4-digit number and then I have to count how many 4-digit number are possible. Whenever you have to count digits, word, or something like that one, where some using some objects to always identify where is the place. I'm having 5 objects. I'm having 5 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 are what? Different object. Whenever object come in your hand, immediately search where is the place. That will be mentioned in the question. How many 4-digit number can be formed? It means this object will be placed in the 4 places. Then only 4-digit number will come. Whenever you will place it, this is the imaginary line. This line will not be there. Maybe you will get something like 1, 2, 3, 4. You put up the 4 object into the 4 places. So this is the role. We have to put the object into the places. Now, these object I have to put into places. My job is that key means put the object, this digits into the places. So, first place I am going to fill. Sir, from where I should start filling object? Does not matter. From anywhere. If there is no condition. If there is a condition, I will tell you. So, any place you can start. Suppose I want to fill this place. So, this place can be filled by how many ways? 5 ways. By total 5 object. Anyone can come, no? Right now, everything blank. All 5 is in your hand. So either you can put 1 here, or 2 here, or 3 here, or 4 here, or 5 here. 5 ways. This place I can fill by how many ways? Now, one place already filled. By which digit? I do not know. But one digit gone. I am having only 4 digit in my hand. So this place can be filled by 4 way. And listen the wording what I'm using. And this place can be filled by 3 way. And this place can be filled by 2 way. Yes or no? So the job can be done. This place can be filled by 5 way, and this can be filled by 4 way, 3 way, 2 way. So it means total number of way to fill these places using this object will be 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. I hope everybody able to understand whatever is going to come 20 into 6, 120. Means there are 120 possible numbers can be happen 4 digit by using this digit. If repetition not allowed. Did you understand? Is it clear to everybody? Now, if anything having confusion, please let me know. Chaliye, let's see further into this. And now completely counting we are going to do by using the object. It's not necessary that the object will be there. If object is not there, that is a much simple problem they create only by using the objects. Now imagine if I am asking you by using the digits 2, 3, 7, 5, 4, how many 3-digit number can be formed? Everybody answer. How many 3-digit number can be formed? Very, very simple question. I hope everybody got it. 3-digit number means 3 places. Now, first place can be filled by 5, 4, 3, answer over. I'm not going to spend much time, 60 ways. Next, using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, sorry. Using same 2, 3, 7, 5, 4. How many 3-digit number formed if repetition allowed? Means any digit can come any number of times. Any digit can come any number of times. Quickly, everybody. Any digit can come any number of time. Yes, I guess everybody got it. Very simple. By 3-digit number means place is 3 only. The first place can be filled by 5 way. Second place can be filled by again 5 way. Because whatever digit came here, same digit also can come here. This also can be 5 way. So total will be 125. Total will be 125. Now, write a note, everybody. The most important part of this. If there is any restriction on a place, then always start filling the object from that place only. See, till now, whatever the filling we did, that is called as the free arrangement. This is called as the restricted arrangement, restricted counting. Sometimes what will happen, there will be some condition will be there on any particular place. So that particular place, first you have to fill it. Then only you should go to the next one. It may be happen more than one place having restriction. In that case, you have to make cases. We'll discuss later. I don't want to make you confused by taking 2-3 points at a time. Right now, first, if there is a free arrangement, no condition, start filling object from anywhere. If there is a condition, always start filling the object from that place where the condition is there. Imagine a question. Suppose if I say, using the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many 4-digit number can be formed? Repetition not allowed. Think carefully. 4-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4. I did not mention any restriction, but you have to use common sense. Ki bhai, this 4-digit, so 0 cannot come on this place. Yes or no? 0 cannot come, because if 0 will come, it will look like 0, 1, 2, 3. This is not 4-digit number. This is a 3-digit number. Did you understand? So it means there is a restriction. Where is restriction? On this place. So this place must fill the first. Then only you should go to other place. So this place can be filled by how many way? Think. Only by the 5 way. Because 0 cannot come here. Yes or no? Like when we start that key A to B, B to C going, A to C, C to B. When I say that key, when returning, it's come only by the, it does not come to play path by, does not repeat the path. That is also restricted counting. Here also restricted counting. But whenever there is the filling the object, you are filling the object and there is the condition on a particular place, you should fill that place first. This filling. And this place, no restriction. Now you can fill this also, you can fill this also, this also. When there is no restriction, you can jump between them. So this place can be filled by how many way? Any number of way, because repetition not allowed. So I 0 means whatever digit came here, I will not use it. Total 6 was there, 1 is used, so 5 left. This is 4, this is 3. So answer will be 25 into 400 into 300. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. Right? Like some people given already answer. So it's good. Same question answer give me if repetition allowed. Same question answer give me if repetition allowed. Repetition allowed. Tell me answer. Quickly, everybody. Repetition allowed. Yes. No need of full calculation, just you can leave in the counting form. We are not learning here multiplication. We are learning here P and C. So now, but restriction is there, bhai. So this place can be filled by only by 5 way. But this place, any digit can come. Here also, any digit can come. Here also, any digit can come. The total number will be 5 into 6 cube. This will be answer. It's just counting, nothing else. Next one. Using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 4-digit? How many 4-digit odd number can be formed? Quickly, everybody. How many odd number can be formed? Repetition not allowed. Whenever repetition allowed, I will mention separately. Whenever repetition allowed, I will mention separately. When I'm not mentioning, don't take repetition allowed. By default, in the lecture, you have to keep in mind that we will not, repetition not allowed by default. Four-digit number. ठीक है भाई. 1, 2, 3, 4. Odd number. First thing, where is the restriction? This is restricted place. This is also restricted. Because I hope everybody knowing odd number means what? The last digit must be odd digit. And here this 0 cannot come. Ab now question arises. From where I should start filling the object? Because the restriction is the more than one place. If this is the only place, then we can directly start from here. But this is the more than one place. I should start from first place, or this is the last place. I'm counting left to right, be clear. This is the first place, this is the last place. Should I start filling object from the first place or last place? Tell me out, everybody. First place or last place? or any. This question does not mean anything, but I wanted to know, should I start from the first place or last place or any place? Answer will not be different. Check it here. First thing, this place can come. This place, anything can come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This place, either 1 has to come, or 3 has to come, or 5 has to come. Yes or no? It means anyhow 0 is not coming here and 0 cannot come here. 0 cannot come here. So generally, if more than one place restriction is there, we will make cases. But in this case, it does not matter from which place you are going to start, because they are independent each other. This restriction are independent. This restriction are independent. Why? Because 0 not needed here. 0 not needed here. But if suppose other situation, 0 maybe common things can come. So in this case, does not matter. That's why I didn't give you theory and directly I'm giving you this question. Here, anywhere you can start because they are independent to each other. So this place I am starting. This place can be filled by the 5 ways. Now, I will go to, of course, I cannot go to here. I have to go here. This place can be filled by how many ways? Either 3 ways. 1 or 3 or 5. Up now here one simple confusion we are having. Carefully listen me, everybody. I said here 5 ways. Think everybody. In that 5 way, 1 can come here or not. So how can I write 3 here? Are you able to understand my question? On the first place, I said 5 way I can fill. So 5 way fill means what? Either 1 can come, or 2 can come, or 3 can come, or 4 can come, or 5 can come. I don't know what came. Imagine 1 came. So 100% sure at the last place 3 way cannot be filled. Excuse me. Did you understand? All of you understood this point? What I'm trying, solving question is not a big issue. I'm not trying to give you that what will be answer. We are not checking here, fighting for that sir, we are able to solve or not. Try to understand the main point. Did you understand the problem, what problem we are facing? Because if I will start with the first place, I have to say 5 way. If you are saying 5 way, then the last place, you cannot say 3 ways. It may be, may not be. Yes or no? So that is why we do what cases we used to make it. So to avoid that confusion, what we will do, we'll start with the last place, suppose. Suppose we start with the last place. This place can be filled by 3 way. Either 1, 3 or 5. Now this place can be filled by how many ways? See, I'm dragging this question just to make sure that you should understand the problem. If you say 3 way, in how many ways the first place can come? Last place, 3 ways. The first place, how many way can come? So 3 way means one of these gone. And 0 I cannot take. Here, 1 of this gone and 0 I cannot take. So this place I can fill by only 4 ways. Have you understand the point? So now, no restriction here. This place can be filled by the total, how many is there? 6. So 4 way, and this place can be filled by 3 way. The answer will be 16 into 9 means whatever, 144, no? 144, yeah. Is this clear to everybody? Is it clear to everybody? Restriction is the main thing in the PNC. Counting easy, free counting everybody can do. There will not be free counting. So many conditions will be there. You need to understand this condition, what problem can create. Now, same question, if you understood, please answer this question. Even number. How many even number can be framed? How many even number can be formed? How many even number can be formed? Somebody, one more time, somebody had to. Okay, I'll explain. Some people did not understand. Don't worry, I will explain. This odd part I'm explaining once more because some people did not understand properly. See, odd number can, 4-digit odd number can be formed. How many 4-digit odd number can be formed? That is what the question. I'm just re-explaining to make you understand. Just look at here. This place, we have restriction on the first place as well as last place, because odd number means what? Last place should be odd digit. And this 0 cannot come here. If I will start filling object from here, we will say this place can be filled by 5 way. Now I have to fill here because there is the restriction here also. Now here what should I say? Because when you said 5 way, it means either 1 came here or 2 came here or 3 came here. By chance, suppose 2 came here, so this place can be filled by 3 way only, because either 1 or 3 or 5. But by chance here 3 came, so this place will be filled by 2 way. So that, to avoid that confusion, what I did, I fill from this place. That is not a correct way, but just for this question. This place can be filled by how many ways? This place can be filled by 3 ways. This place can be filled by 3 way, because either 1 can come here or 3 can come here or 5 can. So 3 way can fill. Now I'll fill this place. This place 0 cannot come and one of these will not come. I don't know which came here. So only 4 digit is balanced for me. So this place can be filled by 4 way. Now both restricted filled. Now this place can be filled by 4 way. This place can be filled by 3 way. The total will be 144. 16, 4 into 4 into 3 into 3. 144. Those who told that time could not understand, please confirm. Is it clear? Am I clear now? Now for the even. What should we do for even? Restricted permutation. Even number has to come. Up think. Let's learn what is the problem. It's not only how to solve the question. We have to form how many even numbers. It means restriction on this place as well as restriction on this place. Think carefully. If I will start with this place, then what will happen? There may be 5-way. Which came here, I do not know. If I will start from here, then here what will happen? Here either 2 has to come, or 4 has to come, or 0 has to come. So, now confusion. What confusion? Because I don't know 2 came here or 4 came here. Because 0, I know it cannot come. But 2 or 4 can come or not. Now here what should I write? I cannot write 3 because I don't know 2 is already used or not. Got my point? So this not working. Not working. Let's start from here. This place can be filled by how many ways? 3 ways. Either 0 or 2 or 4. Now this, again a problem. Again a problem. Because I don't know 0 came here or not. If 0 came, so this will be directly 5 ways. If 0 does not came, 2 came, so this will be 4 way. Are you getting my point? So here both having problem. Previous one way was there, but this both having problem. So that's what we have to make the cases. What you'll do? Who is problem creator? 0 bhai. So first fix 0 here. I fixed it. How many way this can be filled? Now freely I can fill by 5 way. This place can be filled by how many way? 2 gone to 4 way. This place can be filled by 3 way. And this is the 1 way because 0 I fixed it here. So total how many will be there? 20 into 3, 60. Means 64 digit even number will be there where the last place will be 0. Up now imagine or this is the one of the way or other way will be what? Ki 0 does not came here. Either 2 came or 4 came. Either 2 came or 4 came. So here non-zero. Non-zero coming here. Non-zero coming here. So this place can be filled by 2 ways. By non-zero. Means either 2 or 4. Because 0 case I already consider. 2 ways. Now I'm coming to here. I know that key either 2 or 4 gone. So for me only 4 choices there. 4 choice. And this place again can be filled by 4 way. This place can be filled by 3 way. Check it. I'm doing calculation. Is the calculation is correct? 16 into 3, 48 into 2, 96. So 60, either this or this. So 60 plus 96 will be equal to 156. I'm not sure I did correct or wrong. Is this clear to everybody? This class will get over by 8 o'clock only. Some people having, how long we have to tolerate. Is this clear, everybody? Please confirm those who got different answer or could not solve it. Whenever more than one place having restriction, start making cases. That is not a magic. In one question, you will understand how to make the cases. But after sometimes you will be able to understand. Whenever there is a restriction and both the is creating problem, always do by making cases. Cases means this many number of ways when the zeros are there, when this many number when the 2 are there. If you want to explain more, so those number count which is the last place is 2, those number count where the last place 0, those number which count with the last place 4, and then add them. The same thing will come. May I go ahead? Is it clear? So everything with the restricted permutation. Write it next question. Using the digits. Using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many 4-digit number can be formed if, first bit, numbers are even. Second bit, numbers are odd. Third bit, numbers are divisible by, not divisible by, numbers having 10th place as 2. Means you have to tell those numbers where 10th place of the number is having only 2. All the numbers 10th place is 2. Number 10th place is what? This is the unit place, this is the 10th place, this is the 100th place, this is the 1000th place. Numbers having 100th place as 5 or 6. Get the answer of 4-bit, everybody. I will give you maximum for 1 minute, not more than that. Quickly, everybody. Very simple. Go straight forward. Don't try to apply any hi-fi brain. Okay. You can write answer in one line. Answer X space, second answer is space, third answer is space, fourth answer. Only counting you have to do. Okay, let's see. Chalo, let's see. 4 places, because 4-digit number I am forming. How many number first? First, forget about the bits. Simple. How many 4-digit number possible? It's a free arrangement or not? Because 0 is not there. No restriction. So this place can be filled by 6-way. This place can be filled by 5-way. This place can be filled by 4-way. This place can be filled by 3-way. So 12 and 30, 360. 360. Means total 360 numbers are there. Total. 4-digit number. Using this digit, repetition not allowed. Because by default, we'll take repetition not allowed. That is not true for the by default in the question. It is not like that. But in my lecture for initially, I'm just trying to tell you to use this logic. Okay, now let's start with the first bit. Numbers are even. Numbers are even. Okay. One thing is that if you have common sense, you don't have to solve this. Every natural number will be either even or odd. Total 360 numbers are there. Think carefully. Using this 6 digit, this place should be the even. So either 2 or 4 or 6, 3-way. This place, no restriction, 5-way. This place, no restriction, 4-way. No restriction, 3-way. So 3, 4, 12, 5, 60, 63, 180. 180 even number, so balance will be odd number. So answer of this question is 180. Answer of this question will be also 180. Are you able to see? We are just counting. Number having 10th place as 2. Okay. 10th place as a 2 means there is the restriction came on the 10th place. And what is that restriction? On the 10th place, 2 has to come. So this place can be filled by only one way. This is the way to fill. 2 will come here. Here, 2 is coming here. Now, rest, no restriction, to freely fill it. So 5-way, 4-way, 3-way. So total 12, 5, 60, 60 ways. And 100 place is the 5 or 6. So first here we fill. This place can be filled by 2-way, either 5 or 6. Rest remains same, 3, 4, 5. So 20 into 360 into 2, 120. So finally your answer is 180, 180, 60, 120. Those who got different answer or could not solve, please confirm, is it clear? So many people got correct answer. Clear. Fine. Now, oral kind of questions. Everybody start and giving the answer quickly, as fast as. Question will come in front of you. A, B, C, D, answer. Are you able to see the answer question? This we started the PNC with this kind of question only. This question also you are thinking. Everybody, A, B, C, D, answer yet right. I don't have to tell. I think maximum 3 and 4 explain 3 and 4. Okay, I think one question we did not complete this question. Please wait. Third and fourth, yeah, completed. Third part, somebody having this doubt. Number having 10th place as 2. I'm just explaining. Please excuse. Just look at here. 10th place has to be 2. So this place can be filled by, restriction is there on 10th place. So this place can be filled by only one way. Yes or no? And rest, whatever place you start, this place can be filled by 5-way. Why 5-way? Because 2 already gone. So we are have 2 gone. So only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. And this place can be filled by 4-way. This place can be filled by 3-way. So total will be 60. Same way, 100 place, this one can be filled by either 5 or 6. So this place can be filled by 2-way. Rest, no restriction. So 5-way, 4-way, 3-way. So 120. I hope it's clear now. Person who asked this doubt, can you confirm? Is it clear? Okay, this question. MN letters be posted in N letter box. Same thing. The first letter can go by N way and second letter can go by N way. So N into N into N into so many times. How many times? Mn times. So N power Mn. Finish. This is the question. Answer. So your answer will be C. Next question, very quickly. Everybody. Fast. Fast. Time is not there. Only 10 minutes more left. At least 10 questions we should clear. Practically think. Identify what is the job. Answer will come automatically. In how many ways 10 true false question can be replied? Okay, bhai. First job is to reply the question. Am I right? The first question can be replied by two-way, and second question two-way, and third question and is coming. Each question two-way. The 10th question also two-way. So 2 into 2 into 2 to 2 power 10. And 2 power 10, I guess, 1024. Clear? Those who don't get answer or got wrong answer, always please mention the chat box ki yes, clear, so that ki I can go ahead quickly. Simple question practice we are doing. Very simple question. I feel shame of asking this kind of question, but still fast. Identify the job. Got it? Yes. I think everybody getting this is the best example of the object and places. Here, 3 object, 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all 3 objects are different. Human are different objects. So first person can go, and first I will ask one person, please go and take your seat. The first person will say, I got my seat. First person can take his seat by 5-way. And second person, now one person taken one seat. There you cannot take it. Suppose gone. Which gone? I don't know. So second person 4-way. Third person 3-way. The total 60 ways. This will be answer. I hope it's clear to everybody. Next. Fast. Yes. Little bit calculation. By mistake, they send me the question. I asked them to send only those questions which is calculation should not be there. But still you can do it. This question is something which is very important. This is not that much faster solving. Okay, let me help you in that. Anyhow, I will not able to solve today because time will get over. But let me explain you something. Please listen, everybody, very carefully this point. Whenever you have to add numbers, what they are saying, the sum of all 4-digit number, whatever number, how many 4-digit number will be formed, that easily you can guess is 1, 2, 3, 4 places. This place can be filled by 4-way, this place 3-way, this place 2-way, this place 1-way, because no restriction. So total number will be what? 12 into 2, how much? 4 into 3, 12, 2, 20, 24. Only 24 numbers. Repetition of digit not allowed. This is a very simple question. Okay. Only 24 number. Don't try to say all 24 number, I will write it. No, nothing like that. Whenever you have to add the numbers, basically, sum of number means what? If I say I want to add 1, 2, 3 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, 6, not 6, 1, 4, 1. 1, 4, 1. Okay. So generally what we do, We just add it 3 plus 2 plus 1, 5, and 3 to 5 on 6. And here, this is the way we used to add it. Basically, addition rule is what? Sum of number means what? Sum of all unit place, sum of all unit place into 1 plus sum of all 10th place into 10 plus sum of all 100th place into 100 plus sum of all 1000 place into 1000 and so on. I hope you understood the logic what I'm trying to tell you. Whenever you have to find the sum of numbers, by 3 number we do by the normal trick way. But if there's a suppose 10,000 number is there, so this way we cannot do, na? So what is the logic for that one counting? Ki add all the unit place first. So 3 plus 2 plus 1, unit place summation will be 6. So 6 into 1, sum I am saying, plus sum of all the 10th place, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 into, this is the 10th place summation, so into 10. Plus sum of this 3 plus 1, 4 into 100. I hope you are able to understand, everybody. 6 plus 70 plus 400. So we'll get 476. You'll say, sir, this simple question, why you are doing this much drama? Because this is the actual way of summation. Whenever you have to find out the sum of all the numbers, always try to find out what is the sum of unit place, what is the sum of 10th place, what is the sum of 100 place, what is the sum of 1000 place. Think carefully in this case. Just forget this question and answer me simple one question. Everybody, how many numbers where unit place is 2? Everybody answer. How many numbers where the unit place is 2? How many numbers where the unit place is 2? Be clear. Don't expect a formula for this kind of the question. There is the direct formula will be given in your book and all. I am not going to give you. That will just make you a handicap unnecessary. Use logic. How many numbers where the unit place will be 2? Simple counting. This is a different type of situation. Unit place has to be 2. So how many number is possible where unit place 2? It means restriction is there. This place can be filled by 1 way. This place can be filled by 3 way. This place can be filled by 2 way. This place can be filled by 1 way. Have you understand? If a unit place is 2, if 2 fix it here, so only 3 digit left. So this place 3 way, this place 2 way, this place 1 way. So total 6 numbers are there where unit place is 2. How many numbers are there where unit place will be? Where unit place will be 4, 6. Same logic. How many number where the unit place will be 6? 6 number. How many numbers where the unit place will be 8? 6 number. Means 2. This 2 is coming how many times? 6 times. 6 times. How many times? 6 times is coming. Same way, 6 times 4, 4. So if I am asking sum of unit place, sum of unit place will be what? 6 times 2 means 12 plus 6 times 2 plus 6 times 4 plus 6 times 6 plus 6 times 8. Did you understand the point, everybody? Like this. So 6 if you take common, you will get 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. Or you can say this will become 10, 10, 10, 20. 20 into 6 will be 120. Means sum of unit place will be 120. Please confirm, everyone. Is it clear to everybody? Sum of unit place will be 120. Is this clear to everybody? Everyone, anybody who did not understand, please let me know. Similarly, you can find out the sum of 10th place also, sum of 100th place also, sum of 1000th place also. This is a very simple question because no zero is there, no repetition is there, no different identical letters are there. So basically, sum of unit place will be 120, sum of 10th place will be also 120, sum of 10th, but I don't want to do, you do. Right? So the mean counting and everything will be getting started with the next lecture itself. Right? So for today's, this much is enough. Please revise as I told you, and then we will be going further. Right? Thank you very much. And in the next class, day after tomorrow, at the same time, 6:30 to 8, will be there. So counting will be getting over by the next time. Please do not learn formula because it will fail. The next time when I will give the question, the formula will get failed. So don't try to learn the formula. No formula. Basic logic. P&C should be done without formula. No formula required at all. You take any JEE advanced, JEE main question, nowhere formula needed. Right? Chaliye. Thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.